welcome to the class, students. So before moving ahead, I want to tell you about SMS. This is our initiative which we have started. Yes, what is it? SMS. So here S stands for social distancing, M is for mask, and S is for soap. So we should maintain a physical distance, we should wear a mask, and we should clean our hands using soap. This is what our initiative, that is SMS. Hope you are following it. Fine. So now in this today's session we are going to learn about rounding of numbers. So in the previous session we have completed our exercise 1.1. Hope it is very clear, you have done your work, right? So today we will start with our rounding of numbers, and the next concept is expanded forms. Okay. So rounding of numbers. See, this usually happens, we won't tell our exact number. So see, here they have given a small situation. 25,000 people nearly visited Salachi Museum in the month of November. 9 lakh students approximately will appear the SSC board exams. See, we don't know what is the exact figure. So sometimes we say a rough figure. Now supposedly in our school there are 1950 students. Okay. But what we usually say, we say that there are approximately 2,000 students in our school. Right. This is not the exact value. This is our rough value. Right. This is what we are doing here. Rounding off. Rounding off value. This is rounded off value. This is what we are going to learn. That is rounding off numbers to tens, 100 and 1000. Okay. Now let us see what is first one. Rounding off numbers to hundreds. I request everyone to open their classwork, term book and pencil. Be ready. So in term book, open page number 3. Estimating and rounding off numbers. So now they have given an example, right? Now they have given an example of 83. Round off 80 to nearest to tens. Whenever they are telling nearest to tens, we'll write the multiples of 10 that according to the given number. Multiples of 10 according to a given number. Now this is 83. Now 83 lies between 80 to 90. Right? We have written the multiples. Now let us write multiples. That is 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90. Now if you see our value is somewhere here, that is 83. Now see, 83 is nearest to 80 or 90? Yes, 83 is nearest to 80. So what we will do? 83 is nearest to 80. So we will, so 83 is rounded off to 80. Okay. How we are finding rounding off nearest to 10 means we will write according to the given number, we will write the multiples of 10 and we will see that value is near to 80 or the next number, that is lowest or the highest number. Then after seeing that, we will round off according to a rounded down or rounded up. Whenever you are going on the left side, lower side, we say that is rounded down. Whenever you are rounding to the up side, we say rounded up. Okay. Now we will only check the main 85. Supposing that value is less than the middle term, the 85, maybe it is 75, 65. So if it is less than this, we will round off to the left side. If it is above 85, then we will round off to 90. Okay. The same pattern follows with the next. Now if you take 230, but we want to do from nearest to 100. Nearest to 100. So what we will do as 230, it lies between 200 to 300. Let us write it 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290 and 300. Whenever we are doing nearest to 100, we will write the multiples of 100 according to the given number. As this is 230, we will write from 200 to 300. Supposing it is 540. So what we will write? We will write from 500 to 600. Okay. Now if you see our value somewhere here, it is 230. Now what we will do? See, now 230 is very near to 200. Right. So 230 is rounded off to 200. Okay, is rounded off to 200. This is how we will do for nearest to tens. Means we will write multiples of tens according to the given number. Nearest to 100 means we will write multiples of 100 according to the given number. Now nearest to 1000. So same way it follows with nearest to 1000. We will write multiples of 1000 and we will see whether it is near to lowest or the greatest number. Then we will round off according to that. This is how we are going to follow for rounding off to 10, 100 and 1000. Now let us move to our next topic, that is expanded form. Expanded form. This page number is 4. Page number 4. I request everyone to open page 4. Okay. Now we already know what are expanded forms. We have learned in our previous class. Expanded form is writing in detailed form or elaborate form. Right? What is the exact definition? That is sum of the place values of the digit. Now they have given an example like 64. We want to write the expanded form of 64. Now what we will do first? Let us write, this is ones place and this is the tens place. So what we will do? We will multiply the digit with the place value. So first let us multiply 6 into 10. Now because 6 is in tens place, we are multiplying with 10 plus 4 into 1. Sum of the place values of the digits. Okay. Now 6 into 10. 60, 6 tens are 60, 4 ones are 4. This is the expanded form for 64. Now if you take one more, 234. Firstly we will write place values, ones, tens, 100. Now what we will do? We will multiply the place digit with the place value, right? So 2 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 4 into 1. See what you do? 2 into 100. 2 into 100 is 200 plus 3 into 10. Right, it is 30 plus 4 into 1 is 4. This is the expanded form for 234. This is how we are going to follow. That is, expanded form is what? Sum of the place value of the digits. We are doing sum. Are we not doing addition? We are doing, right? So sum of the, these are place values. We are multiplying the place values. That is number with the place value. Sum of the place values of the given digit. This is what our expanded form. Now let us move to our exercise 1.2. So before going to exercise 1.2, I request everyone to open your classwork, write down exercise 1.2, date and write down the first big heading. Turn to page number 5. Exercise is 1.1, page number 5. First bit. Now what is first bit? Round out the following numbers to the nearest tens. So first one is 89. Now what we will do? Now 89 means what is the rounded nearest to 10? We will write the multiples of 10 according to the given number. Now here it is 89. So what we will do? We will write the multiples till 80 to 90. Now let us write multiple 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90. Now we have written multiples of 10 from 80 to 90. Now our value is 89. It is here. Our value is 89. Now if you see, 89 is far from 80, but it is very close near to 90. So what we will do? We will round off 89 to 90. So what sentence you write? As 89 is nearest we will round. Okay. Short form will write, so 89 is rounded off to 90. Yes, in the last year how we have done, we have written in short form, that is comparing the last digit with the 5, and we have written is it rounded up or rounded down. But this time we will not write up and down, we will write only rounded off. So we will see only for 85. Supposing the given value is less than 85, we will round to down, lower number, that is rounded down. If it is greater than 85, then we will round it up, that is to 90. This is what for 89. So if you see 89 is very near close to 90, so we have rounded off 89 to 90. Okay. The same manner, let us go with the next one. 450. Now don't go there three numbers, we should go nearest to 100. No, we will write nearest to tens. Okay. Now 415. So we will start from 400, 400, 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, this is nearest to tens. So 410, 411, 412, 413, 414, 415, 416, 417, 418, 419. It's a stop. Next is second one is 415. Now this is nearest to tens, so we will write from 410 to 420. Okay, because these are tens. So let us start 410, 4 including 11, 412, 413, 414, 415, 416, 417, 418, 419 and 420. So from 410 to 420, our value is 450. It lies between 410 to 420. Now let's see what is the value, 450. Now 415 is an equal distance from 410 to 420, right? Now but it is very convenient to go with 420. Okay, so what we will do, 415 is near to 420. So 415 is rounded off to 420. Okay, what we have written, this is as this is tens, nearest to tens, we have written from 410 to 420. We will circle the given number and we will check whether it is, which value is very closer to it. Now 415, as 415 is an equal distance, so we will convenient to go with the 420. Okay, we will go to rounded up. Yes, this is what our first bit. Now let us move to our second bit. So in first bit there are more to see, third and fourth. These are same as first and second one. So try to solve. Now let us move with our second one, second bit. Our second bit is nearest to hundreds. Round out the following numbers to the nearest hundreds. That is, first one is 695. First one is 695. Okay, 695. So as this is nearest to 100, what we say, we will write multiples of 100. So now 695 lies between 600 and 700. Let us write the number line, that is 600. 610, 610, 620, 630, 640, 650, 660, 670, 680, 690 and 700. Okay. Now our value is 695. Somewhere in between 695, 692, 700. Right? Now this value is very close to 700. So as 695 is near to 700. So 695 is rounded off to 700. Fine. Our number is in between 690 to 700. That is 695. This is very close to 700. So we are rounding off 695 to 700. Now let us see the second one. 36,152. 152. Again, this is nearest to 100. So what we will do? 36,100. 36,000. 110. 36,000. 120. 36,130. This is multiples of 100, right? So 36,140. 36,150. 36,160, 36,170, 36,180, 36,190 and 36,200. That is from 100 to 200. 36,000 is the common. We have written from 100 to 200. Now value is 152. 152 means in between 150 to 160, right? Our value is somewhere here. Okay, write this completely in one single line. Okay, now if you see 152, again this is after 152, right? This is near to 36,200. This is an equal distance if it is on 150, but this is again greater than 150, that is 152. So we will round off to 200, 36,200. So 36,152 is near to 36,200. So 36,152 is rounded off to 36,200. Okay, this is first and second one. Now next moving to our third bit. Hope you have understood how to write nearest to tens and hundreds. Next, that is third and fourth one are similar to first and second one. Try to solve next third and fourth. So today's your homework is to complete first bit C and D, that is third and fourth, and even second bit C and D, right? So today in this session we have learned how to rounding off and expanded form. We have done our exercise 1.1 first and second bit. Remaining third, fourth and fifth bit we will do in our next session. So I hope it is very clear how to do nearest to tens and 100. So do complete your homework. I hope it is very clear. Thank you.